गुरुभ्यो नमः. ओम ब्रां ब्रीं ब्रों सह बुधाय नमः. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. ओम नमो नारायण. Good evening, dear viewers. Welcome to Nakshatra Nadi, the Astral Science program. So let me take couple of calls. Lot of calls are coming. Namaste. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Hello. Please mute your TV volume. एक second. Hello. Namaste. So we have our classes on August 1st. So there will be two batches between 10 to 12 and evening 7 to 9. So those who are interested can register. It will be a 15 days course and definitely you can learn astrology from basics. Namaste.
Namaskar, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
My name is Manjunath. I want to ask.
Your name is?
Manjunath, sir.
Manjunath. Yeah, tell me. Manjunath.
2/3/1981.
एक second. I'll just put it across.
4 p.m.
Yeah, tell me.
2/3/1981. 4 p.m.
2/3/1981. Time of call, time of birth?
Sir.
Time.
4 p.m.
What PM?
4 p.m.
4 PM. Place of birth?
Bangalore, sir.
Tell me what is the question?
Sir, I want to ask about marriage, sir.
Sorry?
Marriage.
Marriage. Okay, I'll tell you.
Yes.
So, you're already 40 years now. Marriage. Okay. Marriage. What combination we have to say? Because of Mercury, Ketu, no marriage? We can't go by this methodology. Then if we look at the 8th house, we can't. We have to just say that okay, because of Mercury, Ketu, there is no marriage. How can we say in that way? Let us see the Vimshottari Dasha. Rahu is running and Rahu is getting over by 22. Rahu. Let me look at Rahu. Rahu is giving 3/3. Just no much marriage. But let me look at each planet. Bad. Highest bad I am taking. Rest all is just very normal. This is also bad. 6. Bad. 6. Only one guy who is very strong is Mars. So after Rahu, Jupiter comes. 1, 6, 8. 1, 6, 12. No. Marriage, I am not able to find out, sir. It's quite difficult. You have to just go, get a girl, just don't worry about the horoscope. Kindly, directly marry. So these type of combinations we can't search. So marriage has got two issues. People will look out for looking at horoscope and why they are not getting. The second option is they have to find out for a good alliance, not to look at any horoscope and get married. At 40, 42, still if you are able to check and look at horoscope, it will be quite difficult. The combinations are highly negative. Blindly go with whoever is okay. They are also okay, you are also okay. Just check, marry. Let us see what happens next. Namaste.
Namaste, Guruji.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, Guruji. This is regarding my daughter's marriage, Guruji.
Date of birth?
29/4/91.
Time?
5:45 p.m.
Place of birth?
Bangalore, Guruji.
Marriage? What is the question, sir? Marriage, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
She's a doctor.
Okay. Saturn Dasha is running. 2023 Guru Bhukti. Saturn 1 and 3. Again 1 is there. Guru, the ending Bhukti, 4/1. After this one again Mercury 6. 6 combination, 3 combination. 9, 10 combination, 3 combination. Oh, very idly difficult. Only Venus has to help. Anything 7 is there. Sun is not repeated. It's repeated in Rahu and Ketu. So Ketu, Shukra, Ketu and Sun. Marriage possibility is very strongly indicated between 2022 March to October. Between this time marriage will happen. So I'll suggest you some stones. Let her wear one ruby, right hand ring finger, Burmese ruby. At the same time she can wear one Rudrakshi, which I suggest, three-face Rudrakshi. She can chant Om Grini Suryaya Aditya, but marriage will happen in 2022 March से October के अंदर. That is guaranteed. Don't worry. Namaste. Good evening.
Good evening, sir. I want to ask about my sister, sir.
Okay, tell me.
Sir, she is now 10th CBSE, sir. I want to know her what is the percentage of her in coming next year.
Percentage? Okay.
Yeah, she will pass with percentage, sir.
Tell me the date
I want to go with Prashna Shastra, sir.
Okay, tell me.
Sir, on 6 number.
6. When is the exam and when is the result?
Sir, she is now 10th, sir. Exam is next year, 2022.
22. Which month will be able to get the result?
Sir, I think around May or June.
May, June. 22 May and June. Okay. Mars, Jupiter, Sun. Mars, Jupiter, Sun. Let me go with Mars, Jupiter, Sun. Mars. Mars is quite low as a dasha. Let me look at the Bhukti, real Bhukti. 90%. She will score very well. But there is a reduction here because the dasha is not strong.
Okay.
The indication is very high. Okay. I'll just suggest, wait. Then coming to the correct sun's position, let us look at the sun position at the time of the result. Let me look at sun. Sun is also 85%. So though there are 90% at the Bhukti level, 85% of the Antarbhukti level, 50% of the dasha, this gets reduced to 80% approximately. This increases little bit and this dasha decreases. 80% is the mark she will be approximately taking, because the dasha is not at all strong. So what we can do is kindly donate wheat to poor people for at least 3 months, because third house has been hit by the sun. This is reducing the overall marks. Just take care of this and ask her to wear a red color thread around 5 to 6 rounds, and let her wear one golden topaz for more marks. So she can at least retain that 90-95 what is showing here, because dasha is weak. Dasha will pull down the Bhukti. This is how we can do that. So these kind of combinations we can work out, and I will challenge you that this will be the real marks which is the planets are showing. Good luck. Let me go to the next caller. Namaste.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Sir, good evening, sir. Sir, I wanted to ask about my sister. Her date of birth is 5th July 1982. Hello?
Yeah, tell me, time of birth.
Sir, it is 3:15 p.m. and place is Davangere.
Question.
Sir, I just wanted to ask about her government job possibilities in whole year period of career she may get or not.
Okay.
She is pursuing her PhD in it will be externally she is doing it along with the lecturing post.
Let me look at the cuspal position. Cuspal position is showing Venus. Let me look at Venus combination. Venus is in the nakshatra of Moon. There is a possibility of government job, but let me see at the hit theory 10, 11 should come. 11 is there. There is no much 10 available. Let me look at the dasha system. Moon has got over by 2020. There is Mars which is running. Till November it is Rahu. Let me look at Mars. Okay, there is 10 and 11. Rahu is showing 12, 12, 12. Again we have to go to Jupiter 12, 12, 12. Most of the things are coming to the end, and just getting few with few marks is not able to crack it. Very few marks overall. So for this I would, okay, lot of 8s are there. For so much of combinations, 1, 2, 3, 4 planets we can't give remedy. Highly difficult. 1, 2, 3. So let me strengthen which is strongest. Mars is with 11, which can be strengthened. Saturn is with 11, 4, 11, public this one. Then Moon is also good. Moon is also good. So I would suggest her to wear one two-face Rudrakshi immediately and coral to her right hand ring finger and chant Moon mantra. Om Som Somaya Namaha 108 times and Mars mantra Om Ang Angarakaya Namaha. Om Ang Angarakaya Namaha. There are chances by between 2021 November. Within that there is a more chances. But 888 is pulling her down. Namaste. Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Sir, can I consult with my son's horoscope?
Tell me. Tell me.
Yeah, his date of birth is 29th December 1994.
Time.
His time of birth is 4 a.m. at Madurai.
Exact 4 a.m.
Sir?
Exact 4 a.m.
Exact 4 a.m.
No seconds.
Madurai.
Okay. What is the question?
When he will be getting married, sir? I'm looking after for his alliance.
Yeah, now you people have started. Okay.
Yeah.
Currently, the current period is Saturn Dasha running. So, Rahu Bhukti is working across till January. Let me see Saturn 2, 7, 9, 11. Marriage is very good. Rahu 7, 9, 9, which is also good. Not to worry. Let me look at the hit theory 12, 12. 12 is not much worried about. Where is he staying?
He's staying at Bangalore now.
Bangalore now. Okay, okay. Away from that birthplace. Okay. After Rahu, Jupiter comes 4, 2. Jupiter has got 2. His marriage will be between 2022 and 2023 October. 2022 January say 2023 October. So he has to
2022
yes. 2022 February say 2023 October. Within that period marriage will get over. Nothing to worry. So not much of a worry. Dasha is very strong. To have a favorable marriage life, I would suggest to donate banana for poor people on every Thursday for next 3 months. He can wear one little finger ko emerald and 1610. 1610 is in Mars, not to worry about it. Okay, 6000, 4000. Okay, 12 face Rudrakshi will also help. Good luck. Namaste.
Namaste, Guruji.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening. My date of birth.
Tell me, sir.
20
17.
1967.
Time.
Time 23:58.
Place of birth.
Madurai, Tamil Nadu.
Okay. Tell me what is the question, sir?
This is my general prediction, Guruji.
Okay.
Because whatever I steps taken on how my rest of the life goes and how what about the career and all this one. Because I am not happy with the current position on that.
You are working. You are in job.
Yeah, I am in the job.
Okay, Mercury and Jupiter is there. Let me look at Mercury. 9000, 4000. Jupiter is showing 9000, 6000. Job will be there, sir. Nothing to worry.
Okay.
Job, don't worry at all. There will be always job along your side. But post 23 May, you might leave this completely, this job, and go into a different league. Because Mercury will get over after 23 and it will prepare for the next Ketu Dasha. Ketu will give you a new opportunity, though not considering the age, but you will get into a new kind of a business or job or some kind of a changes, major changes happens in Ketu. Ketu usually gives much ahead before it comes. So 2023 you can afterwards within 1 year you can expect a big change, but you have to be very careful that initially it will disturb, but over a period of time it will change over. So 56, 57 onwards there is a major change for next 7 years. So you have to accept that change. So be calm and definitely things will be in your favor. For that, kindly donate horse gram to poor people for at least 3 months. Not now, you can do it in next year, and things will be good post that. Okay, job is not a problem, but there is a change, shift in the career. Good luck. Namaste.
Hi Guruji, my name is Amit Vikraman.
Yeah.
Guruji, I am calling for I want to know how my future will be. My date of birth is 16/6/2001.
Okay.
And my born time is 2 o'clock and 46 minutes PM.
Okay. Place.
Guruji, I want to become a cinema director.
Place.
Place, I was born in Bangalore only, Guruji.
Okay. What do you want to become? Cinema?
I want to become a cinema director. And I want to know, will I get good money in that? Like that I want to know, Guruji.
Okay. Venus is going on 2022 Rahu. Venus 7, 8, 11, 3, 9, 11, 2, 3, 6. Rahu is there. Then further, let me look at Venus. Venus 7, 7, 8 is there. So you should not invest first. That is the criteria. For a director means you have to only direct. So you should not be a producer. Got it? And there will be a lot of obstacles, but which you have to work through your inner thought. So I would suggest you, don't go by any changes somebody tells. You go by your willpower, go by what is being told by your inner conscious, you will win. Sun is very strong, so I would suggest you to wear one 12-face Rudrakshi, you will win it. Along with that, kindly for more success you have to wear one Basra pearl, right hand ring finger. So probably Rahu will give you more intuition, more opportunity, but it is also a very wrong planet because it sets a precedential for showing you wrong things. But post that you will be getting Jupiter. Jupiter has got little bit of good combination. Your real success will start from Saturn. Saturn, because there is job of 6 and 9. There is also combination of 3, then 5, then 10, then 8 and 11. So your success will start from Venus Saturn, which will be from 2025 onwards only. From there onwards again Sun, you will also have some little bit of fame. Your real changes will be from 2025. Join our course, you will be knowing much better. So what time to launch, what time to direct. Okay, good luck. Good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello, please speak out.
Hello.
Tell me, madam.
I want to go for Navali.
Okay, tell me. Number 1 to 249.
8 number, sir.
Question.
Sir, we booked one flat, but that processing is not happening.
Okay, let me look at it.
Can I-
Till 2021 Rahu is there, September. Let me look at Rahu 4, 11, 12. Rahu hit में 11 है. So Mangal 3rd house. Okay, there is some problem in the Dasha system. Dasha is little bit weak. Mangal is Rahu is taking care of it. Okay. The culprit is Sun, which is 3, 5. Okay. So kindly donate wheat for next 3 months every Sunday to poor people. That's the first thing. Whoever has invested, in whose name you have to purchase property, kindly ask them to wear a red color thread for Mars, and ask them to apply turmeric, powder turmeric, mix it with a few drops of water and apply it to the forehead. Things will happen by September end. And Jupiter is also showing profitability in terms of house, which is having 4, 11, 12 combination. A small changes will happen. There are some certain issues on the paper front with them, not with you people. So this will clear by September. Post September, you can expect between 2022 September. So probably little bit delayed, but it is not denied. Nothing to worry. Good luck. Namaste.
Wife
date of birth 30. Hello?
Yeah, tell me, sir.
30/12/1968.
Time.
7:45 p.m.
Place.
Bangalore.
Question.
Question: health and wealth and children, how they will take care of us?
Health, wealth, children. So I have
Children,
to talk for
how
half an hour.
their studies and they will take care.
I will only talk about
future.
health at 52 years. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Jupiter Dasha is going across 2021 December, Mars. Jupiter and Mars. Let me look at Jupiter, how it is. Jupiter, health may 8 and 9. Not a problem. Then from there 2021 Mars is coming. Mars is having 3, 5, 10 combination. Again Rahu is coming. Then after that Saturn will come 7, 8, 3, 6, 12. So Saturn Dasha is not actually good in terms of health because the 8, 12 combination is coming. Children taking care is not showing properly. So they will not be taking care in a right manner. So they might provide you money, guinea, whatever it is required. But they coming, taking care personally is not there because third house is not a good position. So you should have 5. Fourth is still bad, but third house is away. They will be away. They will not be able to cope up and meet the requirement.
Children will not be with us.
Yeah, yes.
And then how is that Shani Dasha, Guruji, after?
Shani Dasha will come after 24. Saturn, that's what I was telling, on the health factor it will affect. Because Jupiter, not much of a problem, but Shani Dasha, 6 is hit. Health issue will be a major concern. She will be having a lot of nervous issue because Mercury, Antarbhukti's nakshatra is there, 6 and 12. Nerves has to be taken care, her leg pain, because Saturn also provides leg pain, then arthritis kind of a thing. So there will be a problem with nerves and this one, that has to be taken care. But for this, best is to wear one red color thread, then along with that chant Narasimha Stotram, any Narasimha Stotram for betterment. Namaste.
Thanks.
Namaste.
Hello.
Good evening. Tell me, sir.
Sir, Harsha, sir. 26/9/1997, sir.
Time?
Time 2:37 p.m.
2:37 p.m.
Yes, sir.
Place of birth?
26/9/1997.
Sir, place of birth, sir.
Yes, sir.
Place of birth.
Turvakere, sir. Turvakere.
Question.
Turvakere, sir.
Question.
Question: marriage, sir.
Whose horoscope is this?
Mine only, sir.
Okay. Ketu Dasha. 22 February say 23 April next year. Marriage will get over. Nothing to worry. Marriage will get over, but there will be a little bit of issues. But kindly wear one 2-face Rudrakshi and one cat's eye. So kindly donate Bengal gram, Channa, to poor people. Marriage will happen in 2022 February onwards, within 6 to 7 months. Good luck. Namaste.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
Hello, Guruji. My name is Vikram.
Yeah, tell me.
I want to know about my father, Guruji.
You want to go
His date
for
of-
Prashna? Date of birth. Tell me.
His date of birth is 31/7/1968, Guruji.
31st.
7/1968.
Time.
68.
Time.
Time is 2:05 a.m.
Place.
Place? Bangalore, Guruji.
Question.
Guruji, the question is, he owns a tailoring business, Guruji, ladies tailoring business. Like, how will the future be in it, Guruji, and can I continue his business?
Currently Saturn Dasha is going across.
Okay.
Saturn 9, 10, 11, 2, 3, 5, 3, 6. Okay. Saturn has got 11, 5 is creativity, 3. After that, Mercury 11 and 2. Yeah, you can definitely continue. Very good combination is there. 2, 5, 9, 10, 11 is house of creativity, fashion, technology, everything is there. You can definitely continue. It's a good business. You will also earn very good. Good luck. Namaste. Okay, let me have a small break, and after the break, we'll come back. Okay, welcome back. Let us have a couple of calls. So August 1st, kindly register for the new classes which will be conducted in English. So those who are interested to know about their life very well, so this will help, and a couple of more days are there. You can register either for the morning session or the evening session. Morning will be between 10 to 12, evening 7 to 9. It will be for 15 days, and I will also be providing for this particular app. So you will also be using this app. This app also guides you well, so what has to be done for your issues or problem. Let me take up this call. Namaste.
Namaste, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I should ask my daughter, sir, about my daughter.
Yeah, tell me. Date of birth.
Date of birth is 1
Okay.
February 2008, sir. 2 2008.
Time of birth.
12:04 a.m., sir.
Place of birth.
Bangalore, sir.
Yeah, what is the question?
Sir, her education, sir. What about her education?
Okay. So she is doing her 10th standard, right? 9th standard, okay.
Yeah.
So let me look at Saturn Dasha is getting over by 2025. So Mercury will be the major combination. Mercury is showing 4, 8, 11. Saturn is also 11, 10, 4. She will be doing very well, not to worry. Mercury will reduce it, but Mercury may, if the combination 5, 8 combination is there, predominantly she can go for engineering. So she can take up PCMB and try for two things. First engineering, and second, if she is interested to get into medicine, that is also good, because 8th house also shows, and Ketu also is having 8. Life science, medicine, pharma and Ayurveda. These are the lines she can get through. So I will suggest her to wear one black thread to the wrist and wear 7-face Rudrakshi. Along with that, for good education, let her wear one ruby, star ruby. Good luck. Namaste. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, the name is Aditya Shankar.
Your name?
My son's name, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
And date of birth is 9/1/2004.
Okay, very good. Time?
Time is morning 4:06 a.m., sir.
Place of birth?
Date of birth?
Place.
Place Mangaluru. Mangalore. Mangaluru.
Question?
Sir, I wanted to ask regarding his education.
Okay. Let me look at the education. Lagna. Lagna is Scorpio. So she has completed her +2, second PUC?
He is in +2, sir, now.
Okay. Mercury is going across. What is the combination she has taken?
PCMC.
Mercury, Sun. Mercury showing 12th house. She will little bit lag behind the marks. So Mercury is not strong, because 12 and 3 will not give much scoring. Okay. Let me look at now she will be completing by 2022. She will be completing by 2022. No answer. Let me look at Sun. Sun is also having 3. So in terms of marks, there is a little bit of combination issue, 3, 8, 12 combination. I would suggest to donate curd for every Friday till 3 months. Then better to wear one yellow color thread, which is very important, and to chant Om Aim Saraswatiye Aim Namaha. Good luck. Namaste.
Rajkumar.
Yeah, tell me.
I'll go with Prashna Shastra.
Okay, 1 to 249.
145.
Question.
Planning to change job. So I wanted to understand whether it will be in favor, it will be good, or...
Mars Dasha is running till 2021 September. You will have time. Mars, which is showing 9th house, good job at present, not to worry. Rahu is giving a little bit of obstacles from the boss. 5 combination. Rahu, it is 7 and 4. Not interested in job. Let us see it. Jupiter transfers. Within September, you can change. Post September, the combination is very good. By September, there is a chances of change. Okay, 5th house, and you can take it up. It's not a problem, because current situation 5, 8, 12 is a little bit having a pressure, obstacle, not able to concentrate much. So it's better to take it up. If you have any obstacles, my suggestion is to donate wheat. You can donate wheat, or you can also donate jaggery to poor people for next 3 months. Every Sunday, there will not be much problem, much difficulty at the current job or in future job. Good luck. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, actually, I want to ask about my mother health. Can I start with the date of birth?
Yeah.
26/7, 1975, 5 a.m. at the Bangalore.
What is the issue at the health front?
Sir, actually, our health keeps get variated for every 3 months, like that. I had different problems. She having BP and sugar. So she's so fat also.
Rahu, Saturn, Rahu, 5, 6, 11, 1, 8, 6, 8 is there, 5, 9, 11 is also not there, not to worry, 2, 5, 11, 12, Ketu is there. So her real problem will start from Mercury Dasha. So Mercury will start from 2024 onwards. From 2024 onwards, Mercury is showing in the line 1, 1 and 10, there is at the end 5. But if you look at the combination, 1, 4, 6, 10 combination is long-term disease which he will be suffering, and Mercury gives more issue. So suggest her to wear one 8-face Rudrakshi first. Along with 8-face Rudrakshi, she should wear one 2, 5, 11, 12 cat's eye to the right hand ring finger and chant Om Gam Ganapate Namaha. Unlimited she has to chant. So I would also suggest to donate rice to poor people, so it will reduce to 50-60%. Okay, but 24 onwards it will be quite difficult. She has to do all this and continue doing this. Good luck. Namaste.
Namaste, Guruji.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, Guruji. I wanted to ask about my sister's education. Job, actually. She wants to try for IAS. So I want to know if she has yoga to try for IAS.
Yeah, tell me.
She's born on 29th 12, 2001.
Okay.
At 11:16 a.m.
Place?
Sagara, Karnataka.
What is she pursuing currently?
She's doing architecture currently.
Okay. Okay. Let me look at Vrishabha Rashi, Mrigashira Nakshatra.
Yes.
Kumbha Lagna, Aquarius ascendant. Currently Rahu Dasha is running till 2021 November, Surya and Chandra. Rahu, let me look at Rahu, 5, 9, 10, 11, there is a good chance. Sun, 7, 10, 10, yes, very good. Moon, 6, 10, 12 is there. Let me look at the hit theory.
And
Moon is not giving. No. Currently till only November it is favorable. Only till November 21. But by November all the 3 exams will not get over. The chances are very.
She wants to try after she finishes her architecture, which is in the year of 2024. So after that, is there any chance?
So after that means after when the Jupiter Dasha comes. Jupiter's Dasha is showing 10 and 11 combination. Yes, good. She has to wait for few Dasha Bhukti. Okay. She has got a fair chance of trying it out. So Suggestion is to wear one zircon ring to the middle finger and 12 face Rudraksh. Along with that, tie a yellow color thread. So she can do post 2024, or she can start now only for better results. So kindly donate tur dal for every Tuesday for 3 months. Then also donate gingerly oil on Saturday. This will give more chances of her getting through the examination. Good luck. Good evening. Hello. Good evening. Hello.
Hello. Namaste, sir.
Namaste. Tell
Good
me.
evening. Sir, my name is Pooja and the date of birth is 26/9/1988.
26/9/1988.
88.
Time.
Sir, time 5 o'clock 3 minutes, morning.
Place of birth.
Place of birth, Karwar.
Question. What is the question?
Sir, is there any opportunity to get government job, or else I can try in any other sector or start businesses for my career?
Learning this subject will help you in a long way. Okay, let me look at the government sector. Mercury is there. Mercury is not quite strong. Let me look at the Mercury Nakshatra. Mercury is in Mars. There is a very thin chances because Sun is in Sun Nakshatra. Let me look at 10-11 combination. There is no 10 and 11 combination. The possibility is quite very thin, very thin. Let me come to the Dasha system. Venus Dasha have started. Venus is showing 2 and 9. Let me look at the total overall combination. There is 2, 9, 11. There is also 5, 8, 12. Without investment, if you do any business, it will be a great business. In something like consultancy, something like creative field, this is the line you have to choose. Anything much investment, it will not give you much profit because Venus is also showing the 12th house. So this is the major combination which is showing. You can do business in a very nominal way, not to get into more bigger kind of a business where huge investment is there. But normal business will go through and you can earn decently. But there will be obstacles in certain negative period. Like Saturn is quite bad and Mercury is quite bad and Sun is also quite bad because 12th house is all hit. So I would suggest you to donate curd for every Friday for next 3 months. And also you can wear on 3-face Rudraksh and go for 4, 6, 11. That is also good. Okay, go for 2 and 11. Emerald. Emerald will help you in a longer run. Good luck. Less investment, business will be fine. Namaste, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
I'm calling from Tumkuru, sir. I want to ask my education, sir.
Tell me date of birth, time of birth,
Sir,
place of
I'm
birth.
going to question, sir.
Prashna Shastra. Yeah, tell me, query. 1 to 249?
20, sir.
20.
Now I'm second year PUC science, sir.
Very good.
What percentage should I gain or which course should I join, sir?
Second PUC, when is the examination or when is the result?
Sir, I don't know, sir. Due to coronavirus, what's going, sir?
I also don't know, sir. When to see then?
Sir, I can guess, sir, because every year March, sir. Every year March it will be there, sir.
So this year by the 22 March or this year you are talking about?
22, sir. 22 March.
Okay, 22. Let me look at
Means it
22.
may come,
Mars,
April or
Jupiter
May,
is
sir.
showing. Mars, Jupiter is showing. Let me look at Mars, Jupiter. Mars is very less in terms of Dasha. Jupiter, let me go for Jupiter is going to 70%. So you can get somewhere between 60% to 65%, not more than that. Because Dasha is quite bad, because Dasha is showing 55%, which will reduce the Bhukti, which will be Jupiter, which comes along in the next combination. Let me look at what needs to be done to enhance it. Kindly donate jaggery to poor people for at least 3 months every Sunday. And occasionally also you can do that. So secondly, kindly wear a red color thread to your right hand wrist. And along with that, wear 6-face Rudrakshi. Then you can also wear one amethyst. Amethyst will help you to get more marks. Good luck. Keep on chanting Om Shri Shaneshcharaya Swaha for better results. there is little bit dip in the result, but with doing all this you can enhance to 10 to 15% more, not more than that. Good luck. Next caller. So I would request all the viewers to make a plan to join for the class, so that you can all learn this in terms of the education or in terms of your job requirement or the marriage part. It's a very wonderful and beautiful subject to learn and adopt to your life, so that so you can also, if there is any pitfalls, if there is any obstacles, you can manage it by knowing for how long this bad period is going across. So this is a completely a management, life management subject, where you can manage your life very well by understanding the planet's effect. And it's a very, I have made it very easy, only through numbers. What is a bad combination, good combination, how to apply it, when to take risk, when not to take risk. Okay, good luck. So I would suggest you to make a plan. Okay. Yeah, tell me, sir. Good evening. Yeah, tell me.
Actually, I wanted to ask about my career path.
Career path. Okay, career path. Okay. Tell me.
I finished my second year. Which career to choose? And actually, I wanted to take medical.
You reduce your TV volume, madam, first. Then I will be able to answer you. Otherwise, the call will get disconnected. Why are you having two different volume? You are talking here and you also having that. Again, if I am telling you, you are not able to hear. Tell me now. You are keeping your. Kindly, I would request the callers not to put your volume very high. It will distract the combination what I want to say. Okay, let me go to the next caller.
Hello.
Namaste. Yeah, tell me, sir.
Good evening, Guruji. This is from Chitradurga.
Yeah, tell me.
Program is coming very excellent, Guruji.
Really? What is so great?
Really, you're giving very truthful solutions to the people.
Okay. So you find it that what astrology I am telling here is a little bit coming to the nearest to the truth.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, correct. Because many people talk about your Mars is bad, your Saturn is bad, your Rahu is bad, do some puja. This is all based on time. Find the right time, look at the right time, do small remedies and move on in life. That is what astrology is. That is where many people are going, I can say, blank in terms of understanding astrology. And you can all, dear viewers, you can all see who all are telling astrology. Just go and introspect. What kind of people are talking about astrology? I don't want to list them. You figure it out. What kind of people are telling about astrology? What dosham, where they are telling, what is their status, how well they are aware of the subject, and how they guide the people. It's in a very dangerous situation. Astrology is in a very highly dangerous situation. I'll take up this call and talk more about it. Namaste. Good evening, sir. Madam, who is on the line?
Good evening, sir.
Madam, tell me.
Hello, sir. I'm calling from Mangalore. Sir, it's regarding the financial growth in business for my brother.
Okay.
His date of birth is July 19th, 1982. And
July?
Timing is 1982, sir. July 19.
July 1982.
1919/7/1982. Birthplace is Chitradurga and timings is 8:25 p.m.
Yeah, what is the question?
So I want to know how is the financial growth in business. Business is going good, but wanted to understand how is the future in terms of financially growing the business.
Acha, let me look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Currently till 22 Saturn is going across. Saturn 1, 8, 5, 7, 6. 6th house is also hit there. Okay, 5 and 6. After Saturn, Mercury will pull up much ahead. The coming dasha is also great. Nothing to worry about the finance. Saturn is high, then it goes to Mercury, which is excellent. Finance will improve a lot. So the combination is too good, nothing to worry at all. 9 and 11 combination is there. there will be much money which will be flowing outside in terms of credit or in terms of collection. That is the only grey area in the horoscope in the future coming dasha. I would suggest him to wear 12-face Rudrakshi for a good business. Along with that, donate tur dal to avoid obstacles. Then also wear one Jupiter 9th house, 11th house gate. Okay, 11th house with all the combination is good. Okay, 9-face Rudraksh. Okay, sorry, cat's eye as a ring. Good luck. Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, tell me, madam.
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
Sir, I want to know about my son.
Tell me date of birth.
His date of birth is 1st February
Okay.
1994.
Time.
Time is 2:10 a.m.
Place of birth.
Second.
Secunderabad.
Yeah.
Yeah, what is the question?
Sir, I want to know about his education and then his marriage and then how is his career, how is his job will be.
So, should I tell everything or can I only talk about one thing? There is a classes which I conduct. I suggest you to take up classes. If you are so keen on all the areas, I will take only one subject, one question. Kindly talk about one question only. So, I would request all the callers to talk about one. I don't give any free sessions here. I just want to tell everybody that this subject is a great subject. Come and learn. Okay, don't consider this as a free call that I am sitting here freely and telling to you. I am as a guru telling one subject. So don't take me lightly. So I don't like people taking for granted. Okay, please respect this program. Please respect me and ask one question which is very important. If you are so keen, please join the class. Okay, only one question. I will talk about the marriage part. That's it. So anybody calling, next time I will not entertain if you are talking about more this one. So I am not like a local guy, okay, sitting here and giving all free things and all. There is a respect. This is a beautiful subject. This is a divine subject. There are many people who tell free and put lot of problem to you that dosha is there. You invest 25,000, 30,000. Many people have lost their money, burnt their fingers in astrology. I want to change that trend. Rahu Dasha is going across. Let me look at 2021 August 22 Sun. Okay. Rahu is showing 3-3. Venus 3. Sun 10-3. Okay. Marriage combination is not showing so near. 2022 onwards. Mars. Okay. That is also not there. Marriage combination is quite not showing so near. By 2024, when Venus comes, we have to look at. 2023 is the time, post February. Good luck. Namaste. Good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello. Yeah, tell me.
Hello, Namaste Guruji.
Yeah, tell me.
I want to take Prasnavali. I want to ask whether to continue my present job or change the job, or will I get promotion in the job?
Yeah, 1 to 249 number.
Number 10.
Let me look at the job prospect. Okay. So Mars, then till 21 August, Rahu will change, Mars will come. Mars, Jupiter will come. Jupiter 2-2, Rahu 2-11 combination. There is a profit till by September. Then let me get inside Jupiter. Saturn, okay, 10, 2, 2, 2, 10 is there. Okay, great. Mars, Saturn. Next year we will be expected to get a good promotion. In terms of a hike, by August you can expect a good result. But Jupiter will be mediocre in terms of the overall growth in career. But next year it's a good change because 10-11 shows promotion, higher responsibility. So 22 July will be very good for you. So I would suggest wear a black color thread, and you can also apply turmeric Okay, turmeric powder you can mix with a small drop of water, few drop of water, and apply to your forehead. Good luck. Okay, this is about today's program. So I was just telling you, please only ask only one question. Only one question. I will only answer for one question. This program I want to promote to learn this divine subject. Dear viewers, please understand this. I want to make this subject to spread across on the awareness, to know about the person future in the right manner, because most of the people are making false promises in terms of you have a lot of doshams, you do that, this and all, and nothing is working. And most of the people especially are losing interest on this divine subject because they are not guiding the right path. So kindly make up your mind to join for this class. So I would just show you how this system works. By taking calls, I am really showing you how this system works. So through this at least you will get confidence, okay, this is what is happening, lot of accuracy is there, let us also learn and apply in your life. So August 1st we have the classes, morning one batch and evening one batch. Okay, time's up. Good night. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu.